What's the meaning of Charles the First? Charles the First. Charles the First.
Charles the First. Charles the First. Charles the First was a monarch who ruled over England, Scotland, and Ireland from 1625 until his execution in 1649. He believed in the divine right of kings and engaged in conflicts with Parliament over taxation and religious issues, leading to the English Civil War, 1642 to 1651. Charles I was defeated by parliamentary forces and put on trial for high treason. He was found guilty and executed in 1649, marking the end of the monarchy and the establishment of the Commonwealth of England under Oliver Cromwell.